All right, I had a request for Starman by David Bowie, so here we go. It's got an interesting chord to start with. We got 8, 7, 6 open, and we're gonna have a strum that goes 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a. We're gonna do 2 measures of this one, so it's like. So our second chord is 7, 5, 6, and open. 2 measures of that. We do 2 sets of each. So let's try that out, nice and slow. 3, 4, 1, 2, and a 3, 4, and a 1, 2, and a 3. Switch. Back up. Lower chord. Okay, and then we're going to move to a G minor chord. We got 5 up here with these 3s, and we're going to have. Okay, so what we got there is strum, strum, chicka, chicka. Chicka, chicka. And then you kind of have a chord, chicka, chord at the end there. So strum, strum, chicka, chicka, chord, chicka, chord. Okay, so 3, 4. And of course, that's when you have, you're just touching the strings so you don't get any notes. So we got 3, 4. Second time to F. Now we're going C. So I got to use my finger over here to kind of keep those open strings from ringing when I do the chicks there. So from the C again, 3, 4. Now the C is only going to go once, so we're going to switch to C7 by putting this here on the 3rd fret. So let's look at that verse again. We got G minor. 2 times. F. 2 times. C. 1 time. C7 1 time. Then we're going to do 2 strums on the F, and then we're going to take this up to the 4th. So we got 6, 5, 4, 4. We're going to take it up 2 more after that. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have F, F, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's how the first part of the verse ends. So let's do the whole verse again. 3, 4. F. C. C7. F. And ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. That's a G sharp to A sharp. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Right back to G. This is the second half of the verse. C, C7. Now this time, we hold an A for 4 and a G for 4. Okay, so we're coming out of that. Now we have the chorus. We're gonna go 1, 2, like dum dum da da dum 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 to D minor. Now A minor, quicker to the G, and C quick to the C7. We got the longer F, D minor, and then we have the shorter A minor to G, C to C7. Okay, let's look at the chorus once again. So we got F, 1, 2, and a 3, 4. Shorter on the A minor, G, C to C7. And then longer on that F, longer on D minor. Shorter on the A minor, G, C to C7. Now the end of this chord is shorter on the A minor, and the C7, C to C7. Now we have okay, so that was A sharp or B flat, A sharp minor, and then F to D, G minor, hold the C. So let's say we're taking the second half of the chorus. We got F, D minor, A minor G, C to C7. Then we got the A sharp minor, F to D, G minor, hold the C, and then we're going to have okay, so let's look at all that. We got the A sharp, da-dum, dum, dum, to the F, C, back to the F, A sharp again, F, C. Now that C is not going to go to F, it's going to go right back to a new verse. C, C7, and then we got the F, da-da-dum, da-da-dum, second half of the verse, F, C, C7, A to G, then we got our chorus again, F to D minor, A minor G, C to C7. Do it again. Now we have the A sharp minor, F, D, G minor, hold the C, and then we're going to go right back into another chorus. So this is double chorus. Then we have the A sharp, minor, F to D, G minor, hold the C, and then we've got that kind of solo kind of section. A sharp to F, C, back to F, and this repeats. Okay, and that just repeats and fades out. So that's Starman by David Bowie by request. Hope you all dug that. It'll have a tab with it. And we'll talk to you soon.